So here's the thing. Most hi-fi systems still feel stuck in the past. You either get incredible sound with confusing menus and ugly boxes, or you get a sleek, smart speaker that sounds fine, but nowhere near audiophile level. And then there's the NAD M10 V2. This tiny little box claims to replace your entire stereo stack while delivering serious high-end sound, streaming, HDMI eARC, multi-room audio, and even room correction. Sounds almost too good to be true, right?
NAD M10 V2 Product Overview. The NAD M10 V2 is a premium all-in-one streaming amplifier from NAD, originally launched as the updated version of the already popular M10. It's designed for people who want true hi-fi audio without building a giant rack full of equipment. This thing combines a powerful amplifier, music streamer, DAC, HDMI eARC support, BluOS multi-room streaming, and touchscreen controls into one minimalist chassis. Basically, it's trying to be the just add speakers solution for modern audiophiles. Price-wise, it sits firmly in premium territory at around $2,700 to $3,000 depending on the retailer. So yeah, this is definitely not an impulse buy.
NAD M1 V2 Performance. The M10 V2 uses NAD's hybrid digital amplification technology with 100 watts per channel into 8 ohms. On paper, that might not sound insane compared to massive traditional amps, but in real-world use, this thing has way more punch than you'd expect. Whether you're listening to jazz, hip-hop, orchestral soundtracks, or just binge-watching Netflix through your TV setup, the sound comes across clean, controlled, and surprisingly spacious. One thing reviewers consistently point out is the clarity. Vocals sit front and center without sounding harsh, bass feels tight instead of bloated, and the stereo imaging is genuinely impressive. You can actually place instruments in the room. And here's the cool part, it doesn't feel analytical or sterile. Some audiophile gear can sound technically perfect, but emotionally flat. The M10 V2 manages to stay musical and fun. I also love how seamlessly it transitions between different use cases. One minute it's handling serious music listening sessions, the next it's basically acting like a premium TV sound system through HDMI eARC.
Features and tech. Let's talk about the features, because this is where the NAD M1 V2 really separates itself from traditional hi-fi gear. First up is BluOS. This is NAD's streaming platform, and honestly, it's one of the better ones out there. You get support for Spotify Connect, Tidal, Qobuz, AirPlay 2, internet radio, and multi-room playback. What's the real-life benefit? You can control your entire music setup directly from your phone without dealing with clunky receivers or outdated menus. It just feels modern. Then there's Dirac Live Room Correction, and this is a huge deal. Basically, the M10 V2 analyzes your room acoustics and adjusts the sound accordingly. That means better bass response, cleaner mids, and a more balanced soundstage, especially in rooms that aren't acoustically perfect. And let's be honest, most living rooms are not acoustically perfect. Another standout feature is the HDMI eARC connection. This means you can hook it directly to your TV and instantly upgrade movie nights without needing a bulky AV receiver. Dialogue becomes clearer, soundtracks feel more cinematic, and the whole experience is cleaner and more immersive.
Design and build? Aesthetically, NAD absolutely nailed this thing. The M10 V2 has this understated luxury look with an aluminum chassis and a glossy glass top that feels way more premium than the typical black box receiver. It's compact enough to fit almost anywhere, which makes it ideal for apartments, modern living rooms, or minimalist setups. And honestly, that size is part of the magic. You look at it and think, there's no way this tiny box powers an entire high-end stereo system. But it does. The touchscreen is bright and responsive, though fingerprints can become a bit annoying on that glossy surface. Also, because it runs warm under heavy use, you'll want decent ventilation around it. Connectivity. One underrated thing about the M10 V2 is how approachable it is. Traditional audiophile setups can feel intimidating with separate DACs, amps, streamers, and complicated calibration menus. The M10 V2 simplifies all of that. You also get support for subwoofers, Bluetooth, USB playback, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and even smart home integration. So whether you're building a minimalist vinyl and streaming setup or a modern living room entertainment system, it adapts really well.
Pros: Dirac Live Room Correction genuinely improves sound. HDMI eARC makes TV integration super easy. Touchscreen interface feels modern and polished. Cons: expensive compared to traditional integrated amps. Power output may feel limited for massive speaker setups. Final verdict. Look, if you're someone who wants high-end audio without turning your living room into a science project, the NAD M10 V2 makes a ton of sense. It combines excellent sound, smart streaming features, room correction, and gorgeous industrial design into one incredibly user-friendly package. And honestly, there aren't many products that pull that off this well. If you're a hardcore audiophile who loves swapping amps, tweaking components, and experimenting with separates, you might still prefer a more traditional setup. You can probably squeeze out better raw performance for the money that way.